Welcome to our tutorials for CNC file download. It's the new home to buy, sell, trade all different types of CNC files, DXFs, STLs, SVGs, anything that you can think of that can be used on a CNC machine. Today we're going to show you how to register as a free vendor so that you can sell or share your designs on our website. Easiest thing to do is start up here at the top and say become a vendor. Just hover over login register, say become a vendor. Takes you to our plan page. We're going to do CNC file download vendors. You see there is numerous different plans. Each different plan has a different price, different features, different commission rates to the site. All of our commission rates go to the site and keeping up the site, hosting, storage, backups, software updates. But in this instance, we are going to just sign up with a free basic membership. Just as everything says, we will not constantly harass you to upgrade to a paid membership. If you want to remain a free vendor, it's just fine. You can remain a free vendor for as long as you like. The free membership, you do have to renew your free membership after 1 year. And all these other fees for the other memberships are monthly. But we're just going to subscribe to a free membership. So let's subscribe now. On this page is where you're going to put in all your information. We want to go ahead and make a username. As soon as you put in your email address, it's going to send you a verification code to your email address. Just check your email and get that verification code. You do need to put in your first and last name. Your store name is what you want your URL to be, as well as the name of your store. You can have spaces in it. So we are going to do CNC File Social. Do need to put in your address. And your phone number. Type in a password. You need to go ahead and review our terms and conditions. Make sure this is something that you agree with. Go ahead and review the terms and conditions. Read through this real well. Talks about all the different rules and everything on the site. If it's something you agree to, go ahead and select I agree. Let us know you're not a robot. We're going to go ahead and select motorcycles. All I've had today is motorcycles. Say register. This is a free plan, so you can just click proceed here. Now, because it's a free vendor account, we do verify all the vendor accounts and have to manually approve those on the free side. It can take up to 24 hours for us to verify your vendor account, but since we're here, we're going to go ahead and do that now. And just approve that vendor account real fast. Now that the vendor account is approved, just click on My Account. Now it's going to take you through a setup process. We highly recommend you go ahead and say Let's Go here. Configures most of the basic settings for your store. So let's go ahead and click Let's Go. It wants you to provide your store logo. So just select the file to upload here. And where's our logo? And your banner. It does tell you sizes of the banner. It goes back through all your shop name, your store email address, your address. Here's another place you can put in a location. This gives you a pinpoint on a map if somebody's looking for something near them. This is a little about us blurb. You can put anything you want in here. You can put in just a little bit about your store. Continuing on, you need to put in your PayPal email address, whatever address you have a PayPal set up to. This is required. You do need to put this in. If you don't set up your PayPal email, you will not get paid for your designs that you do sell. So go ahead and put that in there. For now, we're going to continue. This is your policy. Say our policy. Shipping policy, everything is digital. Our refund policy, keep in mind what you're selling on the site are digital files. Once they go out, there is no getting them back. It is perfectly okay to advertise that you do not do refunds on digital products. Now you need to go through your store SEO setup. This is how your store will display on search engines or Facebook or Twitter when somebody posts a link to your store. We've got some stuff here. We're just going to... All keywords should be comma separated, just like you would use tags. Put a couple things in there. I'm just going to copy the description over. Put the image you want to use on Facebook when somebody links directly to your store. You can use an existing image or upload a new one. Same thing for the Twitter setup, just in case somebody decides to link to your stuff or when you link to your stuff. Say continue. Now your social accounts. This is where you'd put in your social accounts. You can put in the URL. You can put in just the username. Most of it works better if you put in the entire URL to your profile. So you can put that stuff in there. Whether or not this shows on your vendor store page really depends on the type of plan you chose. But you can go ahead and put all your social accounts here. And that's it. You're done. You're able to go to the dashboard. Now that you're at your dashboard, you see that your store is set up. If we were to go to the stores tab here, we can close this terms and condition. It says check out all of our vendor stores. And now you see CNC File Social is right there. And there it is. There's your store. We go back to my account now. and just click Store Manager. All of the settings that you set up during registration and your settings during the store setup itself, if you need to get back there and change anything, you can click on Settings here, and everything should be there. I'm not going to get a whole lot into detail right now about changing settings. That'll be a different video. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped you, and thanks for becoming a member on CNC File Download. Thank you.